Hello. So, the first thing we're going to do today, right now, is talk about Studio One craftsmanship, texture rubbings, creating variety of samples, experimenting, shape, small, medium, and large. So, we're also talking about how to prepare to work in your studio. So, for this, you're going to need some leaves that have been pressed and dried, a variety of small, medium, and large, maybe different types of leaves, oak, maple. There's all different kinds of trees out there. You will need your crayon, and I'll show you how you prepare that. You'll need a supply of paper, and that should get you started. And then you're going to go on a little scavenger hunt around your home for more samples that you can find to take texture rubbings and create just a variety of types that you can use later. Okay, so it's just going to be about experimenting. First, you want to get your paper and your crayon, and you need to unwrap the paper around it, which usually is put on there so your hands don't get dirty, but it doesn't make it very practical for using. And then go ahead and break it. Yep, you heard me. Break it so that you have a piece about, yay big. And as you can see, I have my supply of leaves that I have pressed, and I did that on a brown paper bag, and I placed a couple of heavy books on it overnight so they're nice and dry and flattened out. So for the first part, I'm going to show you how this technique works. So you have to have a clean surface and you have to have enough space to work. I'm going to start showing you with this one. This is one of the leaves, and I was really kind of surprised once again at the variety of just one type of plant. This is an oak. So you place it down, and you want to make sure you have the veins side up. You don't want the smooth side, the vein side up. Place that under your paper, and then with the side of that crayon, you need to hold down where you feel the leaf because it will move. You want to start to rub the crayon, and then I'm going to move my finger this way. Crayon's actually better. I'm using an oil pastel, which I'm noticing is a little too dark to get a really good rubbing. It's a little too soft, so I'm going to try that again using a different crayon that I had, because that one was actually an oil pastel that was kind of soft. Yeah, this one's much better. And your black crayon is going to work better because you don't want the media that you're working with to be so soft that it fills in. So that's one rubbing of that leaf. Notice I took my time. I'm going to do another one, and this one is a little bit larger. It's a totally different style or type of, it's still an oak leaf, but not the shiny side, but the vein side. So the side that has that vein, I'm going to put that down, and I'm going to repeat the same process, but I want to make sure I have it in a place where I have enough space. Lightly go over it with my media on the side of the crayon. Maybe just, I think the leaf moved it slightly because I got a little bit of a double vision blur effect. So that's my second one. And then I found an even larger one. So as you can see, I was very careful to not only get different ones, but small, well, this one's medium, small, medium, and large. So I can take that and put it over here since I have plenty of space. And once again, you're probably going to notice some leaves are better than others at getting the rubbing. That's nice. So I want you to do that, and I'm going to probably ask you to create 6 leaf rubbings minimum. As you can see, I really have a whole pile here, and you get better and better as you go. I would recommend using your black crayon, but you could, if you have any other crayons, you could do some in different colors, and that's it.